Um, Welcome back with another lecture. So today, let us solve an issue. Okay. Um, Here, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to connect one Ubuntu machine. Here, I'm trying to connect one Ubuntu machine. Here, I have saved it. I have configured it properly already. Okay. Configuration is done. So I have added the host as host 666 and host name as this one, and user as Tahmid, which is configured in the host. Now I'm trying to connect it. Connect. So it is asking for prompting me for password. Let's give me as password. So it is closing. So it is not clicking. So what is the issue? Okay. So now let's try. So let us try to read through. Okay, what is happening? Asking for keepers. So now let me open terminal here and try to log in. So it's logging. So what is the problem? So access is and password is fine, right? Okay, let me check further. So I've opened the documentation. So it is showing that I have to have this OpenSSH install. Okay, let's check whether it is installed here or not. It's already installed, so there is not a problem. Then what is the issue? Okay, it is also saying installing supported SSH client as well. So let's try that part as well, whether it is installed or not. Yeah, this is also installed. Now go to, and it is showing. Okay, let us check. Seven zero zero is there, so let us check here as well. Our its permission is fine. Now let's try checking authorization key of the authorized key. Okay. There's no authorization key. Interesting. Then let's create one. So authorization key permission should be this one. Okay, let's try to is all. No, it's not there. So now it is 600. Okay, now try do the same in our Ubuntu machine. No source file. So let's do the touch part. You see touch. Let's go to the directory. Touch. I mistaken the command to use is touch, then run the command. Okay, which command we will run? We will run this command. Copy and paste. Okay, now it's created, so let's try again once more time. Still not giving me permission. Then what is the issue? Okay, let us try installing new package. Actually I was troubleshooting, so I pauses my video, but it is working now. Okay, so the main issue was, to show you, when I was logging to user Tahmid, okay, it was like it was not loading my bash. See, it was not loading when I have show Tahmid, it was not loading my bash. Okay, it was showing only dollar sign. Now I have changed it, and I've changed the made the change with c sh minus s slash b slash bash. Okay, then I've given the password, so there, then I have exited it again. I have exited it, and then when I'm now logging in now, it is showing my pass isn't now. If I logged in now, okay, it's showing. So when bash is default, then it is started to connect. Okay, so interesting. Let me show you again. Connect to a host. Activating extension is connected. Open a folder, home Tahmid, show local. Okay, and yeah, it's connected now. Let us create a directory. Let us open a terminal, new terminal. To give you whether it is, see, it is now in my machine. It is under home. So if I type create anything, suppose I'm creating something test, just for saving it, I was selecting a test, and if I select the test.log file, okay, if I ls it, it's getting a test file. Let me open my item, and here I have already logged in. See, it has created a log file, and if I get it, so it was very interesting. It was an interesting troubleshooting session. I hope you have some idea. You will get some idea, and you have learned something from here. Thank you. See you again.